नमस्कार साथियों, एक बार फिर से आप सबका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल में। कक्षा 3 के बच्चों के लिए भाषा विकास हेतु उनकी घरेलू भाषा का हनन किए बगैर उन्हें मानक भाषा की ओर ले जाना ही अच्छी शिक्षा का एक पहचान है। बच्चों में भाषाई दक्षताओं के विकास के निरंतर आकलन तथा उचित फीडबैक के लिए छोटे बड़े समूह की गतिविधियाँ, व्यक्तिगत कार्यों के दौरान उनकी प्रतिभागिता का सघन अवलोकन करना चाहिए और आवश्यक सहयोग भी उन्हें प्रदान करना चाहिए। निश्चित अंतराल पर बच्चों को पुनरावृत्ति के अवसर देकर उन्हें पुनर्बलन के मौके देना तथा अनुपस्थित या छूटे रह गए छात्रों को भी इस बात का मौका देना कि वो अपने छूटे हुए काम को पूरा करते चलें। इस प्रकार से हम छात्रों के अंदर अच्छी भाषा विकास का हम कार्य कर सकेंगे। Teaching plan English. Today's topic is teapot. The learning outcomes are: the child is able to recite the poem from the textbook with correct pronunciation and intonation using proper action. The child will be able to tell the meaning of the poem in Hindi. The teaching learning materials are poem written on the chart paper, picture of the teapot, and the video available on Diksha. Now, the teaching learning process. In the teaching learning process, there are step by step teaching and the time taken during the teaching and the observation. The start of the teaching. In the start of teaching, the teacher will ask some questions to the students. The first question will be, who drink milk in the morning? Students will answer whether they drink milk or not. How many of you have seen cups? Everyone has seen cups, so they will answer, yes, we have seen cup. What do you drink? What do your parents drink in cup? Then the teacher will ask that your parents drink in cup is a tea. The students will answer. So the teacher will then give her statement that today we will read and enjoy a poem of teapot. During teaching, the teacher will recite the poem with proper action and the children will enjoy the class by repeating the poem. The teacher will explain the Hindi meaning of the poem. And she will also explain the poem in English. She will explain the meaning of teapot and she will also explain about the process of making of tea. Now, the teacher will play a video from the Diksha app and explain it in between by pausing it. After teaching, the teacher will ask some questions related to the poem that how do we make tea? Students will answer in their language that how they prepare tea. The teacher will explain this in English. What is the meaning of teapot? What happens when water boils? Students will answer these questions in their language and the teacher will help them to speak in English. How do we put tea and cup from the teapot? Now, the teacher will organize an activity in the class. The teacher will arrange the students in a circle. One by one, the students come in center and sing the poem with action, and the teacher and all the students will enjoy the class and this activity. Now it's time for homework. Learn the poem and work done in copy as classwork. The upcoming Now it's time for the classwork. The teacher will write some of the words at the green board and their Hindi meanings, and she will also write the fill in the blanks that I'm a little teapot, this is my handle and this is my spout, hear me shout. So the students have to fill in the blank from the poem. The teacher will help them in doing this work at the green board, and they will copy these all as work done in the class as classwork.